streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Area creeks and streams are running high and could flood with more heavy rain. Additional details: 2 to 3 inches of additional rain is forecast, with locally higher amounts possible. Although precipitation will change to snow on Sunday, flood impacts will likely persist. People in the watch area, especially those living in areas prone to flooding, should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Monitor the latest forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Belmont County, Guernsey County, Monroe County, Muskingum County, Noble County, until 9 a.m. At 3:56 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.8 and 1.2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Zanesville, Cambridge, Barnesville, Woodsfield, Caldwell, New Concord, Desville, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frazeysburg, Dudley, Philo, Quaker City, Pleasant Grove, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Bealsville, Cumberland, and Lower City. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Here is a flood warning in effect until 11:15 a.m. this morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southeast Ohio, including the following counties: Athens, Jackson, Morgan, Perry, Vinton, and Washington. When? Until 11:15 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 5:11 a.m., gauge reports indicated flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Athens, Marietta, Belper, Nelsonville, New Lexington, Gloucester, McConnellsville, MacArthur, Somerset, Beverly, Shawnee, Chester Hill, Perry State Forest, Lake Hope State Park, Crooksville, Newport, Chauncey, Thornville, Junction City, and New Straitsville. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from this morning to early Monday afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Hocking River at Enterprise. When? From this morning to early Monday afternoon. Impacts: at 14 feet, water spills into Kashimoker Park in Logan and onto low-lying roads near Haydenville Road at some locations along the river. Also, water will be across State Route 93 just south of Logan. Lowland flooding also occurs in Rockbridge. Additional details: at 6 a.m. Sunday, the stage was 9.8 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 14.9 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage Monday morning. Flood stage is 12 feet. Flood watch remains. Flood stage is 11 feet. This is a winter weather advisory. Flood warning in effect until 12:45 p.m. this afternoon. What's urban areas and small streams flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where a portion of east central Ohio, including the following counties: Coshocton, western Guernsey, Muskingum, west central Noble, and Tuscarawas. When until 12:45 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 9:38 a.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is already occurring in the Warren area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zanesville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, Cambridge, New Comerstown, Strasburg, New Concord, West Lafayette, Cigar Creek, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frazeysburg, Bolivar, Baltic, Philo, Mineral City, Warsaw, and Port Washington. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood warning in effect until 11:15 a.m.